Hi everybody, this screencast is to show you how to do your homework for the 3-slide Google presentation. So I'm going to show you how to do that and some tips and tricks along the way, so buckle up. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me, but just go ahead and try to keep up as best as you can, and let's get going. So the assignment for, I can't remember if we're going to decide upon 5 o'clock today or tomorrow or this weekend, but when you are ready to submit this, here's what you're going to do. We'll get the link out for this document, the share out presentation. We ask that you not do your work in this document, but instead we want you to go to create a brand new presentation like this. And part of the instructions here are the first slide. How are you feeling? So how am I feeling? Here's what we're going to do. I like to always have a kind of a clean slate. So I'm going to go to the layout and I'm going to go like that. And then here's kind of a the trick to beefing up your presentations, or at least this is what I do. So how am I feeling, if I can type? So I'm going to go like this and highlight it. And let's kind of choose a font like that. And kind of center that and stretch that out. And then I like to maybe go like that. Let's change up the color a little bit here. Let's go with a green, something like that. So here's where you can go to Google and so how am I feeling? I feel great. So here's a trick. If you want to go do like a Google image search for great, you can insert an image just like this. But what I like to do is I like to show GIFs or GIFs, whatever you want to go with. So then under Image Tools right here, and then I'm going to click the tools, and then you see where it says Type right here. I'm going to go to GIF. So then any single one of these, like if you click on this, even though I'm not going to use it, you can see like this is animated a little bit, and you can see the checkerboard background. That's a PNG, meaning like you're not going to have like the white box around it. So I don't know. You just kind of have to preview these. That doesn't demonstrate that I'm great. So let's say I'm awesome. So here we go. I don't really like the body language on that one. Maybe this one. Okay, we'll go with it. Anyways, so this is the trick to getting your like a GIF or an image into your presentation. It's super easy. I can't stress how easy it is. Now my tab up here is this untitled one. I need to make sure that I label that later. But watch, I'm going to click and drag and I'm going to hold it. I'm going to bring it up to my untitled presentation, and then I'm going to come right back down and then give it a second. And boom. Now, what I like to do also is I've got this, there's some extra stuff on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just round those corners. And this is the cropping tool right here. I'm going to just click on that too, and I'm going to go cut that part out. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, let's try it again. And boom. So then I am awesome. So something like that. Now it's getting a little blurry. And then I want to make sure I put my name on here because we asked you to put your name. I'm going to go like that. And let's do a wacky font. Something like that. Make it a little bigger. Go like that. And hey, like you are not limited to just one GIF, my friends. Here, like let's say I am excited. So I'm going to search for that. So Jonah Hill. That's kind of a fun one. Go back here. Go up. Go down. And then a little aggressive being so big. Like that. What are some other excited ones? It's alright. I wouldn't say I'm excited. Gotta read the room, read the audience. Maybe throw in a frozen one. Okay. The trick is you also have to let it play through one time for it to work. So there we go. Give it a second. Like that. And I like to also, this cropping thing, go to shapes, and then you can change the shape of that. You can put a border on it like that. You can change the color like that. And you can get fancy if you want. And let's do a background. I'm a big fan of the gradient background myself. So what if we do something like that? Or that's a little gloomy for my liking. So let's try something like that. Okay. So yeah. Boom. So let's say Control M is how do you create other slides. So the second one is share a cool project / activity you're looking forward to in this new reality. So then this is where you can do screenshots. Oh, hey, while I'm at it, while I have you, can you see this right here? This is the snipping tool. Okay, and if you just go right here to your corner and type in snipping tool, that's me from another one. Okay, so the snipping tool, I use this all day, every day. And I right click and I actually pin that to my taskbar. So anyways, the snipping tool, you just go to new, and if you want to do a screenshot, you can go just like that, and I copy that, and then I can paste it in. So like let's say that I wanted to pretend that this was part of an upcoming assignment, a cool project or activity that I'm going to do in class. You're going to do your screenshot. Again, if you want to throw in a fancy border and change the color of that, whatever. And then you put your text box in, and this is going to be so much fun. That, and then let's go here. Let's throw a GIF in. Fun. We had fun. It's more fun than it sounds. Okay, so we're gonna go like that. Boom. Spice it up. Boom. I'm going to change the background, gradient. Let's go with something like that. And then let's do the last slide. It is something you want to learn more about, or something you would be willing to be a resource. So then, how can I help you? Question mark. And then let's do an image for help. Please help. Let's do this one. I think his name's Ralph or something. Okay, there. Uh-oh, that one it didn't like. So maybe I have to let it cycle all the way through. And then let's try it again. If this one doesn't work, dismiss that. Try it again. Up and down. Okay, that one's not going to work. That's strange. It's never happened before. I don't know. I'm just gonna. I don't know. How about helper? Helper. I don't know. What about this one? Sorry. Here, teacher. Boom. Okay, good. Go up here, back down. Let's see if this will work. Okay, there we go. So then, just throw a background on there real quick. Okay. Gradient. Boom. Okay. So now it's time to take these 3 slides and put them into the other one. So I'm just going to click right there, and I'm actually going to hold the Shift button down, Shift, and then so all 3 are highlighted. Then I'm going to right click, copy, and I'm going to go into this here, and notice how I have this line right here. Then I'm going to do Control V or paste, and there we go. Okay, so if you need to rewind that, please do so. But that's how you create your slides somewhere else, and then you paste them into the tray on the sides. And just be careful that you do not accidentally paste over somebody else's slides that they have in there. But our goal for this is to get a vibe for where everybody's at, to let you share some resources, brainstorm together, and then if you have questions or you need help with something, we will be monitoring and helping where needed. Or if you are a resource for somebody or something, then people know where that can be found as well. So if you have any questions at all, any concerns, please let us know.